Hey, what's up, Pyros? This is Guzman Family Pyro from Fontana, California, coming to you with another assortment unboxing video. This one's the Boss assortment. So on YouTube, there's only two variations of this assortment that are up. One's in Spanish called El Jefe, and the other Boss, it's a completely different pack, different cakes and different fireworks. So we'll give you an unboxing of this one that I picked up for 2026. I paid $160 for it. Let's get into it. You guys let me know if it was a good deal. There's some good stuff in here. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, here we go. Let's get this plastic off. Start up here. And as well, I don't know where this assortment comes from, what fireworks store. Honestly, I got this one from a friend. But if you know in the comments, let me know. So starting off, we got a sweet fountain. Fountain, obviously. This one is by, can't see the brand, Ghost Shadow Brown. Oh, right there. Hold on, let me fix the light. Alright, sorry about that. Next, we got a Bonkers Fountain, sorry. Performance, bright purple pearls. This one as well. Oh, this one's by Pyro Predator. This one's different. Pyro Predator and Ghost Shadow. Never heard of. I heard of Pyro Predator before, but not Ghost Shadow. We got two fountains so far. Let's get into some cakes. This got a little weight to it. All right, Donatello, 9 shots, Ninja Turtle cake. This one's by Golden Bear. See, there's a performance. Oh, performance. Oh, so there is some breaks. Nice, that's the actual cake. It's tiny. For 9 shots, that thing's really tiny. Surprised to see what it is. Excited to see what it does, excuse me. And then we got Michelangelo by Golden Bear, 9 shots as well. Performance. Yeah, for these little cakes, they got some weight to them, guys. That's pretty cool. So far, so good. I'm not complaining. Next, we got Leonardo, 9 shots, Golden Bear. Artwork's on it, pretty cool. So metallic and shiny. Performance. So far, guys, we got 4 cakes. And then we got Raphael, 9 shots. Just missing Master Splinter. Yeah, so Ninja Turtles right there. Alright, next we got a Moon Festival, 7 shots. I like a comet cake, maybe. Performance, there we go. Oh, it's a hybrid. Starts with a fountain, then ends with shells. Pretty cool. Then we got Garden in Spring, 7 shots. Well, this one's a little bit different from the other Garden in Spring from the other assortment I did an unboxing on. Let's see. Alright. Next, we got Fresh. This is probably the lightest firework in here so far, even those little fountains. Way more than this guy. But it's all good. It's all good. No performance. This one's by Alamo Fireworks. I'm sorry I didn't tell you which ones the other ones are from. This one was from Supreme Fireworks, and as well as the Garden Spring Supreme Fireworks. Alright, next, got some smoke balls. Pyro Predator. 6 pieces. Some Pop Snaps by Sky Painter. Pop It's 50 piece. Then we got a Desert at Night, 7 shots. This one's by Supreme Fireworks Performance. Pretty much says the same thing as the other 3. They probably all do the same or have the same effect. It's alright. So yeah, so far you guys let me know what you think. You think it's worth $160, and where the Boss assortment comes from, what store, or what store carries them. And then next we got a Miracle Fireworks All That Glitters fountain. This one's pretty heavy. For a fountain, it's pretty heavy. Got a QR code. Performance. Alright, next we got a, what is this? Yeah, I don't know. There's a performance. QR code. Yeah, I don't even know where to attempt to try to pronounce this. Pretty heavy though. 200 grams. And we got a Twitter glitter fountain. This one's by Shotgun Fireworks. So there's a couple different brands in this assortment. I forgot to tell you guys what's this one from. And this one was from Southern Strong Fireworks. I've never heard of that before. You guys let me know where this is from, where this company is based out of. I've never heard of that or seen that before. Southern Strong. Alright, back to the Twitter glitter. So yeah, it's Twitter glitter by Shotgun Fireworks. Pretty sure we all know what a Twitter glitter does. This one's just the bigger one, I guess, than versus the ones that are that size. Let's go on to this side. Oh, this one's super light. Just as light as this other fountain right here, fresh. This one's from Legends Fireworks, called Devil's Poison. It's just a fountain. Yeah, there we go. It's a fountain, right? So it makes sense. Pretty cool artwork though. No complaints though. I mean, I like everything that has a fuse. Oh, nice. We got some 10-ball flashing thunder Roman candles in here by Pyro Demon Fireworks. Another brand I never heard of or lit off. But from my understanding, with these 10-ball flashing thunder ones, they're like little bangs at the end. Little bangs. Over here, we got Vet Fever by Shotgun Fireworks. It's a 9-shot performance. I wonder how many grams this is. These little cakes way more than this one. It's 9 shots as well. We'll probably do a comparison video on these. See which one hits harder. 2 shots. Next, we got a, oh, this one's heavy. We got a fish food 200-gram fireworks by Happy Family Fireworks. This one's really heavy. Got a performance QR code. Nice. I don't know how many grams this cake is. 10 shots. And we got the Camel Mag Premium Artillery Shells by Pyro Predator. Some cans. Let's open these up. Sure, the Camel Mag shells that come in the assortment by Pyro Predator. Oh, these are cool. Get 12 of them in a kit. Cardboard tube. I mean, they're bigger than the ball shells, that's for sure. And the standard ball shells that they give you in the assortments. Tube's bigger too. See what these perform like. I've never seen these before as well. Let me know in the comments if you've seen these before. Let them off. Had this assortment before. This particular one with the fireworks, because like I said, the videos I have seen are different cakes, I should say, and different shell kits too. Alright, so moving into it, let's go over here. We got 12 shots Twisted Monkey. This one's by Top Gun Fireworks. Never shot their stuff off before. And this assortment came with a lot of stuff I never shot off before. Being from California, we get what we get. Either that or if we go do a pickup. But even then, I'd never seen this assortment in any of the stores in Nevada. This is the performance. Pretty heavy. As far as the fireworks stores in Nevada, I only went up to Red Apple. You know, like the ones that are pretty well known. I didn't get a chance to go to the Outlaw, but just went to Red Apple, Alien Fireworks, and Blackjack. This one's a 200-grammer performance right there. This is by Sky Painter Fireworks. Thunder 10 shots. This one's heavy too. Pretty nice. So like I said, guys, the assortment was $160. You let me know what you guys think. If it's worth it, if you guys let off any of the stuff that's in here before, if it's good. And as well, if you know where the assortment, where they carry it. This one is Unreal by Alamo Fireworks. 10 shots. No performance. No performance. That's pretty heavy. 10 shot cake. We'll see what it does. As well, I'm going to be vlogging everything that I'm showing, and as well 4th of July. So stay tuned for the video after the season. If you guys want to see, if you're interested in any of it. And this one is Piranha Attack 16 shots. There's this one by Alamo Fireworks. It's a QR code right there for performance. It's a fine fish cake. Pretty nice. Probably put this one in with some other breaks. And then last but not least, we got Naughty 8 by Top Gun Fireworks. Face this towards the spectators. So I'm guessing the eyes probably got a little strobe effect to it. Never seen this before. That's pretty cool. The kids will like it. So yeah, guys, that was the Boss Assortment 2026. Honestly, got it for the cakes, obviously, and then just for the Ninja Turtle cakes. Sorry, and the shows I never seen. Honestly, I never seen any of this stuff before, really. So I'm excited to shoot it off. You guys, let me know what you think for $160. Where it comes from. If you know where it comes from, and what you guys think. I hope you guys are getting ready for the 4th of July. Hope you guys have a safe one. Let me know what you guys have. If you guys have anything. And thanks for watching. Until next time, Pyros. Peace.